Good evening, everyone. Only a few months ago, a boy who has just finished his A-level examination always think about his university life, like making new friends, dating with pretty girls, learning new knowledge. Today, this boy is no longer has two dreams. He's just in front of you, telling you his way to enjoy the most of university as a freshman. In order to make the most of university, I think there are a couple of things that we should do. And first, I think being an executive committee in student association is essential. Since university is like a small society, learning how to cope with others is of great importance. During the period of serving the student association, you learn a lot aside from those in traditional school and from professors, namely the soft skill that you use to cope with others. Besides, it can also enhance some sense like responsibility. Second, I think living in student hall is crucial. Making new friends is always good for you, as the old saying says. Uh, three three guys walks, one of you must learn from one of them. So I think making new friends is always not a bad idea. And thirdly, I think that our doing part-time job is also crucial. Why is that? After all, you are not a children anymore, and you become an adult. After you've graduated from the university, you start your own career. So I think uh, having a taste of doing part-time job will make will let you know what is going on, and and yeah. Lastly, I think studying is also of great importance, since after all you are still a student, and a first job, and and study should be of the first priority of student. So that's all. Thank you.